Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Lenovo Tab Plus 11.5 and let me share with you how to reset preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the apps. Then let's tap on all apps, 53 apps installed, of course 53 in my case, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset Preferences, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset. So among others, disabled app notifications, background data restrictions for apps, and battery usage settings. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically this is it. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.